Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Waller's Wallet, and for the second time ever, we're seeing a Chase Ultimate Reward transfer bonus. So let's take a look at this offer. Is this offer worth taking advantage of, and what this could mean for the future? Now, if you want a simple way to help out the channel, consider hitting that thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn that bell notification on as well so you don't miss out on future videos. Now, I love transfer bonuses because they're a great way to spend fewer points on a particular redemption and get more value from your points as well. And I've been pretty vocal about the fact that Chase really needs to start offering more of these transfer bonuses to their partners since their program really isn't as valuable as people think it is. And the only other time we've seen a transfer bonus was a little over a year ago to British Airways, which really isn't special since this is pretty routinely offered from American Express. But now we're seeing Chase offer a transfer bonus to IHG, and Chase bringing around another transfer bonus is great to see. Now this transfer bonus is going to go from August 1st to August 31st. And with this offer, when you transfer your Ultimate Reward points to IHG, you're going to receive a 60% bonus on the points you transfer. So if you transfer 10,000 Ultimate Reward points, you would get 16,000 IHG points. And there is no limit on the number of points you can transfer. And Chase does mention that these transfers are instant and should be in your IHG account within 2 business days. And just like with other programs, you do need a minimum of 1,000 points to transfer. Now, the Chase cards that are eligible to receive this transfer bonus are the Chase Sapphire Preferred, the Chase Sapphire Reserve, the Chase Ink Preferred, and the Chase Ink Plus. Now, the Chase Ink Plus is a business card that is no longer to new applicants. But while Chase is offering a 60% bonus when you transfer points to IHG, is it really worth it? Now, when it comes to IHG points, I value IHG points at about half a cent per point. So they're not the most valuable hotel points out there on the market. Also, IHG has been making the move to go dynamic as well, so it is getting harder to receive oversized value from your IHG points. So that means 1,000 IHG points typically has a value of around $5. But with this transfer bonus, for every 1,000 points you transfer, you would roughly get $8 in value from your IHG points. Now, this really isn't that valuable or a great use of your Ultimate Reward points. And to put that into perspective, I value Hyatt points at about 2 cents per point. So that same 1,000 Ultimate Reward points would be worth roughly $20 in Hyatt points. And even if you redeemed your points through the travel portal with the Chase Sapphire Reserve at 1.5 cents per point, those 1,000 points would be worth about $15. And if you had the Chase Sapphire Preferred, it would be worth around $12.50. So getting a value of around 0.8 cents per point for those 1,000 points really isn't eye-popping at all. Now, where it makes things interesting is if you're someone who has the IHG Premier credit card, where you get that 4th night free benefit of that card, then you could get even more value from this transfer bonus as well. But since IHG doesn't have a standard award chart, the value of that 4th night free benefit will depend on your redemption. So this would add extra value here as well if you are using the 4th night free benefit in conjunction with this transfer bonus. But even with this transfer bonus, transferring your Ultimate Reward points to IHG really isn't a good move unless you were topping off your IHG account for a particular redemption. And prospectively transferring your points to a program is never a good move because you never know when that program will make a change that could make your points worth less. But if transferring your points to IHG isn't a good move, why is this good news? Even if transferring your points to IHG is something you shouldn't do, even with this transfer bonus, people should be happy to see Chase offer this. Because hopefully this means Chase realizes it needs to offer more transfer bonuses to their programs. And maybe we'll see more transfer bonuses from Chase on other partners as well. It would be great for us to see transfer bonuses to Hyatt or Southwest, for example. And this would make Chase points a little bit better if we were to see transfer bonuses to their more valuable, unique partners for Chase. Because we see American Express and Citi offer transfer bonuses pretty regularly to programs like British Airways, Flying Blue, or even Virgin Atlantic. Now, it's been over a year since we last saw a transfer bonus from Chase to one of their programs. And when Chase initially offered a transfer bonus, even if it wasn't the best offer to one of their partners, it was still exciting to see, but nothing else followed up after that until this offer now. And while I think most people should pass on this offer, it does make me hopeful that we will see more transfer bonuses from Chase in the future. And ideally, they would be more regular transfer bonuses as well. So tell me, what do you think of this transfer bonus from Chase? Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in this video. If you want to help support the channel, take a look at the links down in the description below. And if you know somebody that could benefit from this video, feel free to share it with them. And until next time, safe travels, take care.